Hi there, how are you? Welcome to another mechanical engineering license exam reviewer. Today's topic is on applied science, and this is the length of chain hanging on table edge. So here's the problem. A heavy uniform chain lies on a horizontal tabletop. If the coefficient of friction between the chain and the table is 0.25, find the maximum percentage of the length of the chain that can hang over one edge of the table. So here's our given coefficient of friction between the chain and the table. The unknown here is the percentage of the length of chain that can hang over one edge of the table. So the solution, we need to assume some values here. So we let M the mass of the chain, L the length of the chain, H is the length of chain that hangs over the edge of the table without slipping, and Fd is the force pulling the chain down, Ft the force of friction on the table surface. The formula for the force pulling the chain down, we've got the mass of the chain times G. The G is the constant of gravity times H over L. Now H is our length of chain that hangs over the edge of the table, and L is the length of chain. So Ft is the force of friction on the table surface, and we can calculate that using the formula U, coefficient of friction, times mass times G is the force of gravity or acceleration due to gravity, times L minus H divided by L. So for equilibrium to take place, the two forces must equal. So Fd equals Ft. We equate the two equations, Fd equals Ft, and then simplify. We are left with the formula H over L is equal to U over 1 plus U. And now we substitute the given value of U, the coefficient of friction. We get H over L. That's the unknown, that's the percentage we're looking for, is 0.25 divided by 1 plus 0.25. We just substituted to the formula there on the top. And we got 0.25 divided by 1.25, we got 0.2, and 0.2 is equal to 20%. Okay, I hope you learned something from this, and we'll see you again in the next video. Cheers and take care.